gone.
Gosh.
You've been gone.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. We are pretty excited. We are back at Best Retrievers, where our dog Cash is getting trained, and we're finally bringing him home. He is done with all the training. He's been here like 4.5 months now, and we got a text from Dakota when we were in Medellin getting my stem cells, and he was like, hey, what dates work for you guys? Let's come grab Cash. He's ready to go, which is awesome because we're a couple of weeks away from dove season, like opening dove season, and we couldn't have picked it at a better time. So we're picking him up today. We're literally going to run through everything that he's learned here, from obedience to how to retrieve birds, and everything that he's learned. They're going to teach me and give me the commands and everything, and then at the end of the video, Cash gets to come home. And I'm not gonna lie, it's exciting because we've had him since he was 7 weeks old and up until 6 months, and then he came here, and it was just kind of like there's this empty space at the house where like we miss him. Like we talk about him at least 3 or 4, 5, 6 times a day. We're like, man, I wish Cash was here. I miss my dog. And then we finally get to bring him home now, and then get to go take him dove hunting, duck hunting, all that stuff, and keep his training going. So we're pretty excited. I'm stoked. We're gonna wait on Dakota. Once he gets here, we're gonna run everything and then take him home. So yeah, we get to bring Cash home. And now we're gonna go meet Dakota in the North Field and go over everything. So let's get back in the vehicle. She's gonna go over the dam, and then I think I see them over there. Take Cash and run.
Grab the Cash and run.
That's super cool, like the blind where he runs up.
Good to see you.
Likewise. Likewise.
Yeah, how y'all been?
Excited.
Yeah, I bet. I bet once I texted you,
I kept
said, hey, well,
tossing and turning last night. I was like, let it be morning so we can go.
It's like Christmas again.
Oh yeah.
2 more sleeps.
We've been counting down the days.
Mm-hmm.
How's it going, sir?
Christy, we've met before.
Yes, sir.
Roy. How are you?
I'm great. How about yourself?
I'm awesome. Another beautiful guy.
Hi, good to see you.
It is.
Yes.
Well, say hi.
Hi.
This is Katie.
Nice to meet you, girl.
She's the Walmart greeter.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pretty.
A roadie truck is best to me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Saying hi to everyone.
Oh yeah. Katie's a sweet one. Come on, Katie.
So kind of how we'll do this is I'll work a dog.
Yeah.
And kind of talk through what all's going on and whatnot. Y'all have seen a lot through the videos I've sent you, so I'm sure y'all are familiar, but I'll work a dog and let y'all watch, kind of talk through it, and then I'll let y'all work a dog. And it's not gonna be him, and then we'll get him out last.
Okay.
And then let y'all work him.
Just to get the
Yep.
the reps in. Okay.
Yep. So let's walk through a scenario. Bird a bird gets shot, right? We're gonna send him on his name. He's gonna go out there. He's gonna come back here, heel and sit. All right, he's sitting next to you with the bird in his mouth. And you're just gonna grab the bird, tell him drop. Okay, and that's that. You take the bird, and then you tell Mark again when other birds are coming, and keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. So, 2 big no-nos that he's not allowed to do. First off is break. And what break means is he takes off before he's released. Okay, because then it becomes a safety hazard. Say you're shooting multiple birds and he takes off after the first one, then he's in front of a gun barrel.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure he doesn't break. If he ever does break, then it's a big no-no. He gets a correction. No here, get back here, because that bird is a reward to him.
Yeah.
Right. Remember we talking about the 5 love languages of dogs, right? That bird's a reward for him. So if he gets that bird, then technically he got rewarded for breaking.
Gotcha.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
So we'll start a correction and get him back without getting him that bird. Letting him get that bird. Okay.
Okay.
The next big no-no is eating birds, because that's the last thing you want is him to eat birds and go back.
Yeah.
So especially early, when he's got these birds have been frozen overnight and stuff like that. When he gets a nice, warm, fresh dove, sometimes, hey, quiet. Sometimes he does have or not him, but sometimes dogs will have the tendency to want to get pretty mouthy.
Has he
with it.
done that before?
No,
Okay.
he hasn't. He'll drop it multiple times, but he's never eaten a bird, so or had any problems with that. But once that does become a problem, then it's a long-term problem. Once he learns that, okay, well, I'm not right next to Crispy right now, I'm gonna kind of take a couple bites out of this thing. Then from then on out, you're gonna have some problems.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's the 2 no-nos: breaking and eating a bird. So, first thing you'll see, I've got her facing the general direction. If she's facing over here, then she's not gonna be able to see the birds that I'm shooting.
Yeah.
Sit. Mark. Got it. Good shot. Caddy. And I will say, you'll see me say a couple words between, when you're hunting, you're gonna get all excited, pumped up, high fives, that kind of stuff. Good, here, heel, sit, drop, good. You'll say a bunch of words and whatnot. He's supposed to only go on his name. Sit, Mark. Got it. Dog. Caddy. Correct. And that's actually a really good point that you bring that up. If you send him after 2 seconds every single time, he'll start finding it.
Still time at that day.
Heel.
Yeah,
Sit.
plus today.
Drop. So, sometimes you send him after 1 second. Sometimes you wait 10 or 15. Like right here, I'll wait a little bit for her just so y'all can see. Change that timing up, because otherwise he's not going off his name, he's going off of the amount of time that you're waiting after a bird fell. Sit. Mark. Got it.
I got it.
Caddy.
She's so high.
Data girl.
You can hear
There
her
he goes.
like as she takes off.
Good. Here. Heel. Sit. Drop. Good. So see how she's holding it like that? I grab it, tell her drop. Here, heel, sit. Make sure she's facing in the right direction. Sit. Good girl. Free. Cash loves fun bumpers, and so rewarding him with something like that is awesome.
Her name is Quinn. I've had her for a good amount of time. She's done with our basic gun dog program. Yep. No, ma'am.
No, we need to get
I love
you a
it, but not
dog.
that much.
Of your own
She's
dog.
actually, fun fact, she's for sale right now.
We've got 2 right now.
Yeah.
Gotta wait till one of them
Quinn.
to the bulldog.
Yep. Goes over the rainbow bridge. Yep.
Going with the,
Sit. Mark. Sit.
yeah. Always sad.
Quinn. Got it, girl.
Oh, that's cool. Now you got the real one. 3, 2. two. Y'all got two. The bulldog and cat. Yeah.
I'll give him an idea.
Yeah.
Like, I just say yes, girl.
Yeah.
I'm down to 3 myself.
I've got 5.
I got 4 in the house.
I feel like 3 is better than 2.
Yeah, just
I
like kids.
think so too.
I feel like 3 would be better if you take them with you every time you travel.
They're self-sufficient at that point.
See?
You're not helping my kids together. Win!
Girl.
Push, kid, push. Give her just a second, Julie.
They could do anything they want. Their dog's going on time. Always
There we go. Alright, girl. Yep.
Sit.
I understand that
Mark.
a lot of our
Safety, shoot it again. There you go.
management and fire department and all.
Slider.
Paramilitary.
Say it again.
Slider.
You will see that there's going to be a difference in tone, right? So how I send him versus how you send him. So whenever you get Cash back,
Here. Heel. Sit. Drop. Good boy.
just in how, you know, I say it and how you say it in different tones and whatnot.
Because I heard you go Cash.
Yep.
Okay.
You don't have to do that. He's going to adjust to your voice, but there is going to be an adjustment period to where he's got to learn, okay, he's still sending me on my name. That is my name, you know.
Okay.
Same thing here with Slider. You know, you just send him twice. Don't get onto him or anything like that.
Mark.
Dog.
Dog. Cat. Slider. Have to use shotgun shells. Heel. Sit. Drop. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
Mark. Sit. Slider.
There you go. Yeah.
Good boy. Here. Heel. Sit. Drop.
Perfect.
Good boy.
All right. You want to sit down?
Yep.
Here. There is going to be an adjustment period.
Yep.
You know, you got to learn to work with you.
Yep.
And I am going to hide back here. Same exact
Cash,
thing that you did
here.
to Slider.
Oh,
Sit.
he is black.
Sit.
Yeah.
Here. Catch.
He is black. but
Here.
He's starting
Sit.
to get brown.
There you go.
Good
There
boy.
you go.
Almost like an all.
Sit.
Sit. Cash. Here. Here.
Coming to me.
Cash. Here. Here, buddy. Sit. Here. Cash. Heel. Heel.
There
Sit.
you go. There you go.
Sit. Good boy.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Right. The transition period.
Cash. Sit. Cash. Heel. Sit.
Yeah, because even
There you go.
Good
One
boy.
thing before, while I'm thinking about it.
Dakota will
So
step
you're doing
in and
great
he's
there,
like-
telling him heel. Two, so
Get
here
pulled
and
back in
heel,
line,
right?
you know?
Here, the R in here is bring him forward and to the right. So say there's birds coming to the right.
Yeah.
Here, you're gonna pull him forward to the right, right? There's birds to the left, like there's gonna be over here. Heel, use the L and heel,
Okay.
yep. And have him come back this
Gotcha.
direction. Okay? That way you can help kind of line him up.
feeds off of that too.
Cash.
So you'll hear them
Cash.
tell
Heel. Sit. Heel. Heel. Sit.
There you go.
Mark. Cash. Mark.
Right.
create, build.
Cash. Cash. He.
Try it again. Try it again. Hey, Julie, let's rethrow it. You got a cannon?
Yeah, she's got a cannon.
Okay. Let's try cannon here.
The rules apply.
He's just excited you're here.
Not just here.
Mark. Cash.
Mammy.
All through the
Mark.
Julie. lay down.
You have to apply it in the new situation.
Sit.
Cash. Heel. Heel. Sit. Cash.
You're doing good.
Heel.
Stick with it. Stick with it.
Sit.
There you go.
Mark.
That's all about those hooks.
Mark.
No. Heel.
Heel. Heel. Cash. Heel. Cash. Here. Heel. Heel. Sit. Heel. Cash. Sit.
Stick with it. Stick with it.
Cash.
Keep
Here.
going. Keep going.
Here.
I feel like I'm
Heel.
kind of, he's wanting to watch me.
Cash.
Hey,
Here.
Julie, let's go to this right bird. Let's go to this right bird. Let's try that.
Maybe do some
Cash. Heel.
Yeah.
This is totally normal, or no?
This is
normal.
normal. There's an adjustment. He knows the
Here.
rules.
Heel. Cash. Keep. Sit.
This is 100.
Sit.
Sit.
Okay, I gave him a
Well, I
correction there
know
because
he
we've
knows
given him
rules
plenty of
with Dakota,
opportunities.
but it
Yeah.
goes on a
I'm just
pretty
gonna hand toss one here.
I'm just like,
Let's start simple, right?
yeah.
First word.
Okay. Mark.
Hey.
Mark.
Hey. No.
Here.
No. See, that's breaking.
Yeah. Here. Sit.
There you go. Let's try it again. Turn it into a training set.
You want me to shoot?
Coming down over.
Don't worry about it. Let's get
Yeah.
him going first. Let's get him adjusted to you and,
Yeah.
and working for you before we shoot.
Okay.
We have this after a while.
Mark.
Hey. No.
Heel. Cash. Heel. Heel. Sit.
There you go. Give him a before we do it this time. Give him a stern sit. That way he remembers. Stay in a sit.
Yeah, and the dog gets the cattle right.
Sit. Mark.
Hey.
Cash.
There we go.
So if he doesn't find it immediately, I'm gonna let him do his thing, right?
Yeah.
He's got a nose. He's gonna figure it out. I think
He's
the
technically not
the
wrong. He's
reason
cutting
why
off
he's
the
going
bird
out there
boy.
is because the bird boy's out there and he's used to more from the
Yeah.
bird boy. Let's see what he does.
And I will some.
His personality.
So what he's doing here is he's hunting downwind of it, right? So he knows the bird was somewhere in this area right here.
Yep.
He's like, I'm gonna stay downwind of it somewhere until he catches a whiff of it.
He's technically not wrong.
No,
Cutting off the bird
he's not
boy,
doing
too.
anything wrong here. Not gonna get onto him. I'm not gonna. He's hunting off of the bird boy. So what he's doing
Yeah.
here is he's so used to birds being thrown from a person that he's like, well, the bird's got to be from that person and not up here short.
Gotcha.
All right, I'm gonna help him out. Hey, Cash! Hey!
There you go, working.
So he's learned that he's not allowed to give up, right? So he's. There he goes. Watch, he'll smell it right here.
Right there.
Now he smells it. There he goes. Okay, I'm gonna hide.
Here. Here. Heel. Sit. Drop. Good boy. Let's see if he remembers. Cash. Here. Here. What up? Good boy. Dude, he clearly jumped your whole stuff.
Oh.
Like,
Hey, can I get a picture?
yeah.
Here, Dakota. Talk about it all morning. No, she can get it. Yeah?
Anyone in? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for young joints.
I appreciate it. Yeah,
Thank you.
really appreciate it. Well, guys, that's it here for Cash at Best Retrievers. It's been awesome. It's been awesome watching him, like, from the beginning up until now, and how much he's changed. And everything he's learned and how he's implementing everything into like hunting. But I'm honest, I'm just happy to be able to take him home because he's been gone for like 4 months. And like I mentioned earlier, we're always talking about like, I wish Cash was here, or Cash would have loved this, or Cash this, Cash that. And now he finally gets to come home, but just wanted to take the time to, you know, just tell Dakota and the whole staff here like a huge thank you, because they literally transformed this dog from, you know, a little rascal into like a great bird hunting dog, which I can't wait to take him on the first hunt, which you guys are going to be involved with that as well. And yeah, I'm just super excited. I'm ready to take him home and just enjoy him for a little bit, you know. And it's going to be great having him back home. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're interested in having your dog trained here at Best Retrievers, I'm going to put all the information down below in the description. Make sure you guys check them out. And yeah, if you want to check out their social medias as well, I'll put them all down below. But thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to get in the car because it's going to get 100 and something today, and we're already starting to feel it. And honestly, I'm just excited to get him back home. So thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next week. Until then, crispy on.